Spins and moves it in for Kunitz across the Detroit line. He loads it up, kicks it. That's good. Down the line now. Monitors shot it.
We often take sound for granted, but people will complain about bad sound long before they complain if there is a picture problem. Sounds literally surround our world, and the intricate designs of our ears help us make sense of the thousands of sounds we hear each and every day.
They win the draw. He's set up in the Detroit zone. Getzlaf to Solani. Back to Getzlaf. Left side. Tees it up and it's down.
Welcome to the Sounds of Hockey. Hockey is without a doubt a dynamic game that comes with some pretty exciting sounds. Slap shots, ice skates, fans, air horns, and finally, scoring a goal. Just checking to make sure you're paying attention. By the way, do you know what these funny squiggly lines are? They're waves. Close, but these are sound waves. Sound is transmitted through gases, liquids, and solids as longitudinal waves. Waves of sound. But let's get back to hockey. It's a super fast game focused on a little 6-ounce piece of rubber that is the source of all this sonic mayhem. But other than the puck, what else makes all this noise? Well, when it comes to sound, you've got 3 main components: amplitude, frequency, and timbre. Amplitude is the word we use to describe the volume, how loud or soft a sound is. Frequency, that's the word we use to describe the pitch of a sound. It tells us whether we have a low or high sound. And timbre, well, that's the word we use to describe the quality of the sound. For example, if you have 2 different musical instruments playing the same note at the same volume, they'll still sound like 2 unique instruments. Now it's time to have some fun. Let's see if we can get some helpers for a demonstration.
Oh, hey, Mr. Disembodied Voice. I would love to help. What do I need to do?
Don't you already have an exhibit of your own?
Do you want help or not?
Oh, okay. Just tell us your name, please.
Oh, it's Wooly. Wooly Argyle.
Now we will adjust the amplitude.
Wooly Argyle. Wooly Argyle. Wooly Argyle.
Look at the center line. Do you see how the wave is shallow and close to the line?
Yes.
This wave describes the amplitude or intensity of the sound. When the wavelength is shallow and close to the center line, it means that the amplitude is low. Therefore, quiet sound.
What happens if they're not shallow?
Tall and deep waves indicate high amplitude. Therefore, the sound you hear is loud.
Wooly Argyle. Wooly Argyle. Wooly Argyle. Wow! I think they could hear that all the way downstairs by the pin wall.
Now let's try the frequency.
Great idea. What's frequency?
What's frequency? What's frequency? What's frequency?
Holy cow! I sound like a size 18 sock now.
By adjusting the length of the sound, we can change the frequency. Longer waves indicate a deep sound, and shorter waves indicate a
high-pitched sound?
That's right.
Oh, we have to get my buddy Getzlaf in on this. He'll love it. Hey, Getzlaf! Come on, you have to try this. Oh, come on, it's hilarious. Pretty please, just do what I do. Okay, I'm Wooly.
I'm Wooly. I'm Wooly. I'm Wooly.
That sounds weird.
Oh, try it. Just say your name.
Would make you sound manly like me.
Yeah.
Okay, get ready.
I'm Ryan Getzlaf for the Anaheim Ducks.
Come on.
You sound like a chipmunk.
That's all you wanted, right?
Okay. Here, just do what I do. Okay.
Okay. You two have had enough fun for now. It's time to get back to your own exhibits. Well, we'd like to thank you all for visiting us here at the Sounds of the Game. Please enjoy the rest of your stay at the Discovery Science Center.
Hey, come see me at Coach's Corner. The host is way better.
I heard that.